अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान ब्रॉडकास्टिंग सर्विस। हम लाहौर से बोल रहे हैं। 13 और 14 अगस्त सन 47 ईस्वी के दरमियानी रात 12 बजे हैं। तलुए सुबह आज़ादी। Observed annually on 14th August is national holiday in Pakistan. It commemorates the day when Pakistan achieved independence. Today is a day to feel proud of being a part of great nation. May this spirit of freedom lead us all to success and glory in life. Independence Day in our country is celebrated with great enthusiasm to remember the sacrifices of our martyrs and to make our youth aware.
Pakistan, Zindabad, Zindabad.
We want to know the journey of independence 1947. Long ago, the regions comprising India, Pakistan and Bangladesh were one country. Muslim rulers established their rule over that region. Around 1600 AD, the British and other European merchants came to this region. They first carried out their trade, but when the local Muslim rulers became weak, they attacked them and occupied their lands. In 1857, many people in India, including Hindus and Muslims, joined together to fight a war of independence against the British. हम लेके रहेंगे आजादी, हम लेके रहेंगे आजादी, हम लेके रहेंगे आजादी, आजादी. They were defeated and the British removed the last Mughal king from the throne of Delhi. British became the ruler of India. Now, India was a British colony. हम ब्रिटिश, हम किसी को रूल नहीं करने देगा. इंडिया हमारा है. With the passage of time, the British started giving importance to Hindus, so Muslim leaders feared that after independence, India would be dominated by Hindus. So they established All India Muslim League in 1906. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah became its member in 1913. the basis of Pakistan. According to this theory, Muslims and Hindus are two separate nations and hence required separate homeland. The Allahabad address was a speech by Sir Muhammad Iqbal. It was given by Allama Iqbal during the 25th session of All India Muslim League. Allama Iqbal outlined a vision of an independent state for a Muslim majority provinces, he said. The area where the Muslims were in the majority should be joined in a single state for the Muslims of India. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, a student studying in Britain, suggested the name of Pakistan for Muslim homeland in 1933. In 1937, Muhammad Ali Jinnah addressed the huge gathering of Muslims at Lucknow and promised to turn the Muslim League into a great political party. The Muslims of India started calling him Qaid-e-Azam or the great leader. All India Muslim League held a session at Lahore Winter Park. It was decided that the Muslim League would try to get a separate homeland for the Muslims. The decision was called Pakistan Resolution. No constitutional plan would be workable or acceptable to Muslims unless geographical contiguous units are demarcated into regions, which should be so constituted with such territorial readjustment as may be necessary, that the areas in which Muslims are numerically in majority, as in northwestern and eastern zones of India, should be grouped to constitute an independent state, in which constituent units shall be autonomous and sovereign. Patriotic slogans were raised by the freedom fighters. Pakistan ka matlab kya? Ya ilaha illallah! Ya ilaha illallah! Ya ilaha illallah! The Indian National Congress opposed the idea of Pakistan, but in 1945 election, majority of Muslims voted for Muslim League. So it became clear that the most of the Muslims of India want a separate homeland. At last, the British had to respect the decision of Muslims. In 14th August 1947, Pakistan achieved independence and was declared as sovereign state following the end of British Raj.
Assalamu alaikum. पाकिस्तान ब्रॉडकास्टिंग सर्विस, हम लाहौर से बोल रहे हैं। 13 और 14 अगस्त सन 47 ईस्वी की दरमियानी रात 12 बजे है। तुलुए सुबह आज़ादी।
Pakistan, Pakistan,
festivals, you are free to go to your mosques or any other place of worship in the state of Pakistan. You may belong to any caste or creed that has nothing to do with the business of state. No victory without suffering, no freedom without sacrifice. The process of partition was attended by massive migration and ethnic violence that has a bitter legacy to this day. Just stop and think about the sacrifices of these heroes. The youth of the country has the ability to change nation. The future depends on the young generation. So it is our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better. One of the main motives of the celebration of Independence Day is to make our youth aware. If we emulate the Qaeda-Azam as the role model and equip ourselves with necessary education, we can keep pace with the fast-moving world. What is expected of us is constructive spirit. The right environment will minimize ills from our society, improve literacy rate, and provide opportunities for growth. Do not deviate from the vision of Pakistan. Pakistan's official name is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It is a country of South Asia. Its neighbor countries are China, India, Iran, Afghanistan. It has 5 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan. Pakistan Army ranks 15th most powerful army in the world.
Is at home to 108 peaks above 7,000 meters, including the K2. The South Asian country mountain scenery is stunning from the lively cities like Islamabad and Lahore to the beautiful valleys in the North Pakistan. A perfect place for a unique gateway.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Ishal Kashif and I'm from 7th standard. Today on the occasion of Pakistan Day, I want to pay tribute to my country for there is no place like it. It is a long-winded way of saying thanks to my home for all the things it has given me. Thank you.